Hey everyone, today I'll guide you through how to calculate the range in Excel and also how to find a conditional range. The range is simply the difference between the highest and lowest values in a dataset. Step 1, first open your spreadsheet. Go to the Excel file that contains the data you want to work with. For example, let's say you have a list of numbers entered in cells A1 through A5. Step 2. Next, let's calculate the range. In an empty cell, type the following formula to find the highest value in the set. The function max, written as MAX, and followed by open parenthesis A1 colon A5 close parenthesis, finds the highest number in the range. Then use the min function typed as MIN with the same range to find the lowest value. After typing both formulas, press Enter. You'll now see the result, which is the range of your dataset. Step 3, let's calculate a conditional range. For example, suppose you only want to calculate the range of numbers greater than 500. In that case, you'll use a slightly different approach. Start by using the same max function on the full range from A1 to A5. This still gives you the overall highest number. Next, use the minifs function spelled MINIFS. This allows you to find the minimum value from that same range, but only for cells that contain values greater than 500. When you're done, press Enter and you'll get the conditional range result. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to calculate both a simple range and a conditional range in Excel. This method is especially helpful when analyzing datasets with different conditions or thresholds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.